Success doesn't happen overnight. It's the result of consistent, focused effort over time. The secret to achieving your goals lies in making action a daily habit. I'm Sandeep Kirkar, and today we are going to explore how you can establish routines, set actionable goals, and turn daily action into a powerful habit that drives long term success. Many people struggle with consistency, often letting distractions or lack of clarity derail their progress. But with the right habits, you can take control of your time, prioritize what truly matters, and build unstoppable momentum. In this video, we will cover the strategies you need to make action a part of your daily life and stay on track toward your goals. Establishing daily routines for productivity is very important. A productive day starts with a clear routine. Routines provide structure, helping you focus on what's important and eliminate wasted time. By establishing a set schedule, you create a roadmap for your day that prioritizes action and minimizes distraction. Start by identifying the key activities that contribute to your goals. For example, if you're building a business, your routine might include dedicated time for planning, marketing, and customer engagement. If personal growth is your focus, set aside time for learning or skill development. Consistency is key. Stick to your routine. Please stick to your routine. Even on days when you feel unmotivated, stick to your routine. Over time, these small, consistent actions will compound, driving progress and building momentum. Setting clear, actionable goals can make a huge difference. To make daily action a habit, you need to set clear, actionable goals each day. Vague goals like work on my business or be more productive don't provide enough direction. Instead, break your goals into specific, achievable tasks. For example, instead of saying, improve my marketing, set a goal like write and schedule 3 social media posts. Specific goals give you clarity and a sense of purpose, making it easier to focus and take action. Write down your goals every morning or the night before. Having a physical or digital list of tasks keeps you accountable and helps you track your progress throughout the day. Overcoming distractions and staying focused is a breakfast of champions. Distractions are one of the biggest barriers to building a habit of daily action. Social media, notifications, and even minor interruptions can derail your focus and slow your progress. To overcome this, create an environment that minimizes distractions. Start by turning off unnecessary notifications and setting boundaries with the people around you. Use tools like timers or productivity apps to stay focused during work sessions. A simple technique like Pomodoro method, working in 25 minutes interval with short breaks, can significantly boost your focus. Remember, staying focused isn't about being perfect. It's about recognizing when you have been distracted and quickly bringing your attention back to the task at hand. The role of consistency in building habits Don't ignore, please. Consistency is what turns actions into habits. When you take small, deliberate actions every day, they become part of your routine, requiring less efforts and willpower over time. Think of consistency like brushing your teeth. It's a small daily habit that becomes second nature because now you do it regularly. The same applies to taking action towards your goals. The more consistent you are, the easier it becomes to stay on track. Even on busy or challenging days, commit to taking at least one small step. Progress, no matter how small, is better than standing still. Evaluating daily progress and adjusting can make a huge difference. Part of building a habit of daily action is evaluating your progress at the end of each day. Reflect on what you accomplished and what went well and what could be improved. This simple practice helps you stay accountable and identify areas where you can adjust, tweak your approach. For example, if you notice certain tasks taking longer than expected, break them into smaller steps for the next day. If distractions were an issue, refine. Refine your environment or schedule to minimize interruptions. Daily evaluations isn't about perfection, it's about learning and improving so that each day builds on the last. And developing the mindset for daily action. The foundation of making action a daily habit is adopting the mindset that consistent effort is essential for long-term success. Remind yourself that every small step you take brings you closer to your goals. Even if the progress feels slow, success isn't about grand gestures. It's about showing up every day and doing the work. Boring work sometimes. Trust the process. Stay committed. And remember that the actions you take today are the building blocks of your future. I would like to conclude that making action a daily habit is one of the most powerful steps you can take toward achieving your goals. By establishing productive routines, setting clear goals, staying focused, laser focused, and committing to consistency, you create a foundation for long-term success. Remember, progress comes from the small, consistent steps you take every day. Evaluate your efforts. Most important, because these are your efforts. Adjust as needed and trust that your dedication, which is supreme for me, will pay off. Thank you for joining me today. Let's take action together and make every day count.